Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best outdoor roller skates in 2019. To see the price and more information about these roller skates, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the Starting at number 5, we have the FireStar Youth Roller Skate. As you probably know, roller skating demands a lot of confidence and undivided attention. For this reason, you will need skates that offer superior support regarding speed control and reliability. This is a durable, lightweight and streamlined skate designed to offer you the best experience. You will love the high quality and ergonomic structure that has impact resistance. This structure conforms to your legs, giving you more control and flexibility. The pair also features premium and oversized wheels. This offers you with a super smooth glide, allowing you to ride through the streets with ease. What's more, you will also enjoy the superior fit that allows you to feel comfortable even when you are riding for long trips. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Bladerunner Pro XT. The foundation of the best roller skates is the structure. These skates come with an ergonomic design that will allow the user to have more control when skating. Increasing the user control will ensure stability, preventing accidents even when riding at high speeds. These skates' structure will lower the center of gravity, offering you with more balance. This makes them an excellent choice for beginners and advanced users. Also, these skates combine this with an anatomical and sleek design. This attractive look makes you stand out. You will also love the non-marking braking that makes them ideal for using the indoors as well as the outdoors. The model also boasts of a great combination of bearing and wheels that gives the user more control and speed. This makes them not intimidating for a new user while ensuring a smooth and easy roll. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. At number 3, we have the Xena Sports roller skates. Delight your kid or collaborate with these attractive skates from Xena Sports. These skates are designed to help them discover the extreme fun that comes with rollerblading. Besides the high-end construction materials, these skates come with 8 wheels that he made colorful light as your skates. Besides illuminating the rolling surface, this makes you stand out. The skates are also comfortable thanks to the soft foam inner lining as well as ankle support. They're also easy to adjust, allowing your kids to use them for longer. The skates are crafted from premium quality materials coupled with exceptional artistry. Unlike other models on the market, these skates come with tough polyurethane wheels and high quality bearings. This ensures better control for a smoother riding experience. Additionally, the wheels will rotate more smoothly, allowing for longer glides as well as quicker acceleration. At number 2, we have the Roller Derby VTEC 500. If you love spending time with your daughter in the outdoor, you will love these skates. This is one of the best gifts you can give your daughter. You simply need your power and get her, and she will absolutely love spending time with you. These skates come with a beautiful theme that will make you stand out. We love the reliable handcrafted design that comes with a sturdy frame, durable wheels and dependable stopper to ensure the best mother and daughter experience. These skates come with accurate sizes that will fit you well. They also ensure the best experience, thanks to their soft interior for a comfortable experience as well as buckle closure for a customized fit. This will ensure maximum safety even at high speeds. And finally, at number 1, we have the Roller Derby Girls Fun. Do you love skating on concrete or tarmac pavements and you would want an ergonomic pair of skated to replace your worn-out pair? Well, these roller skates are an excellent choice. Having been in the market for quite a long time, these skates from Roller Derby guarantees with a performance you will love. They come with well-designed wheels that are not only durable but also ensure a smooth riding experience. These wheels are coupled with high-performance bearings that allow in high traction to ensure your safety. Over the years, these models have remained popular amongst women for their unbeatable stability. They also feature a sturdy frame that molds to your legs as well as a soft interior that ensures the best comfort. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.